Sådär! Look, bro, I'm wearing slippers!
Grandpa, get off the camera.
No way! I've won! Yeah! And lime! We're so old!
I'm here being a hater, but I've got mine right here.
Oh my god!
The George Washington.
Yeah, that's the one he ran over the frozen lake with, you know? So, today, guys, we are going to be opening the new
don't care.
So, today, guys, we are going to be opening the brand new gallery case from the Armory Pass. I don't have enough stars to claim them, so I had to pay a resale price on the market. I bought 300. If I get something good, then we're done. If I get not something good, maybe we buy a few more.
Okay.
Cookery knife, same as kilowatt case. Vaporwave. Oh my god, it's nice. So, the Vaporwave is pretty nice, but the one I want is gold tooth. More like the huck tooth. What? Huck tooth. Gold tooth is really cool. Okay, let's go. First case, open the keep. Boom.
You think you're gonna accidentally rent out the case?
No, I hope not. Holy shit, look at that! Today's video sponsor! Thank you! Skinsmonkey is one of the best and easy to use CS2 trading websites where you can change up your inventory to any color combination you like. Blue, yellow, pink, colorblind, doesn't matter. Skinsmonkey's got them all. And by clicking the link in the description or using code ANOMALY, you can get a deposit bonus of up to 35%, and if it's your first trade, you can also use code ANOMALY for up to $5 for free. Plus, they've got nice extras like freebies for free skins and balance, and they've also got 24/7 live support. So if you want to try them out, then please do so from the link in the description, and thank you once again Skinsmonkey for sponsoring this video. Oh, okay. Do you know the secret about this skin, why it's so cool? Look, when you hold it first person, look, it's a perfect circle. Wow, you see? That's really cool. Easter egg. Focus on the sound of my voice. Whoa! Dude, this M249 is going to be very boring very quickly, I think.
This is gonna be the fucking Galil Sandstorm.
Almost rented. Why are you case watching? Almost rented. When I misclicked.
This is a cool skin. It reminds me of the song Guns N' Roses.
Isn't that a band? Look at this, bro. Look,
Okay.
Randy Rush, it's me. Look.
Wait, that's actually you. Like body type and everything. It's crazy.
Yeah, whip out your fat tit right now.
I was gonna say thank you, this helps my self-confidence, and alas, it did not.
Can you buy free spins on here?
There's a double chance of getting bonus there.
Oh, no! I told you! Yes, baby! What? We're like, how many? We're like actually 15 cases in. No way!
Wait, what condition?
As field tested, me guess 0.348. Oh, 0.24 field tested. Bro!
Oh, you guys clap.
Oh my god, what the fuck? Oh my god. Wait, oh my god, keep doing that, your colors get fully fucked. Me as I approach the elephant's foot in Pripyat, Chernobyl, bro. And my camera footage goes like that. Wait, we didn't check how much is the Vaporwave worth? Field tested, 103 euro. Considering the cases are so cheap, that's actually pretty good. I forgot to introduce everyone, by the way. We're joined today by F1, he's sick. Lime.
Hello.
We're joined by Sams. Oh my fucking god. We're joined by Vince. POV Maniac hands you your drink. And Zach. Hello. Wow, look at that. I forgot to my big camera. Hey, now it's working. You got a sex doll. Hit a... Oh! Hit a... Why? Hit the dab, hit the dab. No, hey. Put on your Halloween costume right now, Sam. Oh, he turned off his camera. This better be good. Oh. Guns N' Roses. The song, my favorite song, Guns N' Roses.
Hello guys, I'm back.
He sounds muffled. Wait.
Yeah.
The gimp suit. Oh,
what the f—
All of this just to not get invited to a Halloween party. It's crazy.
Can you open the cases?
Yeah, sorry. I'm getting only this revolver,
Oh,
man.
that's Guns
N' Roses.
Oh, my favorite song.
This shit is made of the same stuff they wrap like athletes in when they finish a race, else they freeze to death, so I'm slowly boiling.
In it! I'm slowly boiling in it! In it!
Oh my god.
What the fuck? It's like a... like a...
It's got to be the worst video you've ever recorded.
F1, it just... you just hear like... from F1, bro. I'm going to run. What's his name?
Don't think we could call him that, chap, I'll be honest. Okay. Saddam Hussein!
Meanwhile, we opened 7 cases.
It's just not going to make it.
Neither is your fucking grandfather.
But it makes sense because he's deceased.
Yeah, and who caused that?
Lupus.
He can stand by himself!
What? Oh no! I haven't screamed for like 3 days because I was recording those more serious videos, and now I'm just going fucking crazy.
Scream then, scream.
Oh, let's go. I have an apple and what's it called? Grapes. Fucking shit.
Now you're just eating in your video.
The only good thing so far is the Vaporwave.
Bro, we need a cookery one. You pulled one yesterday, you need another one, bro.
Wait, you pulled a cookery yesterday?
I opened this one yesterday from this same case.
How come you open cake?
Oh, cookery! Oh, actually! Oh my god! What the fuck? So surely we can make it happen again. Oh, that's the... So there was 2 hurricanes in like the span of 2 weeks. When's the next one?
There might be one in another week or 2.
Oh my god.
Why do you live there?
Because it's nice.
Server getting wiped every
Yeah, he lives like Rust. Everyone's got guns. There's server resets every so often, and there's just naked crazy people running around with rocks. It's actually Florida. Oi! Oh, stat track! Holy shit! This skin looks so dusty, though. I have no idea if this is FN or Battle Scar. Well worn. Dude, no way. Look, this is all of us in the bus now. Hey, guys! You excited to go to school today?
Shut the fuck up, you fucking...
51. That's good. That's decent. Okay. Mommy, what's gonna Shut up, Vince!
So imagine if CS had like 5 reels or maybe 6, and then you can like hit like gold symbols on the reels, and then you can get like full screen and multipliers. You hit like versus symbol and it expands. That would be sick, bro.
Michael Douglas.
Okay, I'm out.
As I said, this is the worst video we've ever recorded.
Oh, I saw it. Pink. No!
Are you eating? Did you rant?
You're not supposed to rent them, silly.
Oh,
Fucking rented it. Look how battle scarred it is. Oh my, this is also battle scarred. Field. Oh, pattern template 999.
at least now you got the whole collection.
At least you have the whole concoction.
Yeah, how can you tell I'm white?
You're putting mayo on an egg? That's actually fucking criminal.
It's like putting ketchup on the fucking tomato.
Hey! Epicenter. This one actually looks pretty cool. Field tested, okay? What do we think, gentlemen?
Vince, it looks like the hurricane that took your house.
Look what it says. Direct impact, bro, on Vince's living room. Okay. Oh, look, we have the whole collection. Oh, that's because I rented.
You fucking rented.
Oh.
Why don't you, like, actually be entertaining for your viewers, though, instead of just, like...
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Be entertaining. Aren't you meant to be a YouTuber?
The last one to leave this call wins $50,000, guys. Start the timer. Oi! This is the first time we get the UMP, right? Look, no. Actually, look at the effects on the skin. The, like, green flame. Kinda cool, I guess. Hairline check, actually. Hairline check. Put that Daft Punk shit back, and let's see. Do like... Fuck. Damn!
What happened to you being a YouTuber?
What happened? Oi!
Nice swear, bro.
What happened to your hair?
Yeah, it's falling out.
Yeah.
What happened to your fucking healthy relationship with your father?
Falling out. Oi! Another one.
Back-to-back pink.
Is it?
Yeah, this is rarer than a knife.
That is rarer than a knife, yeah. Oh!
It's rare to kill myself.
What?
Oh, close enough.
3 back-to-back. Do you know how rare? Minimal wear. That's actually so rare. How much is this one? 71 euro. What? This is almost as much as the red. This AK is so ugly. Oh, glitched case. Look.
No one gives a fuck.
I thought I was gonna get 3 reds. What the fuck happened with that?
Is this your last case?
Yeah, I think I'll get some more cases. So now we're back. We're joined by 2 brown brothers, Rod and Furious.
Bro, we are not brothers.
We are brown, though.
Yes.
Yeah. I got a lot more cases now, and we're just gonna open them.
I don't want to be brown anymore.
Did I hit the spending limit? I actually hit the spending limit. Are you kidding me? Okay, so gentlemen, that was a pretty good opening. I think I wasn't too lucky, but we did, however, get the M4A1S Vaporwave. That's a pretty cool skin, I'm not gonna lie. Sadly, we did not get the Glock. The Glock 2, that's the one we wanted, but whatever. Decent pinks and accidentally rented the whole thing, so I guess in the end, we kind of did get the Glock, although it's gone in a week. But I get to play with it. That's what's important. So thank you guys for watching. Now I'm going to go cry because I didn't get the one skin I wanted. The Glock 2. Yeet!